People see me as a girl who's been blessed with everything. But little do they know, behind this pretty face is a victim of disparage, bullying, and hateful social mobbing. I was severely criticized by the people who hardly know me, and it took a toll on my psyche. Looking back, sobrang grateful ako to have time para makapag-isip-isip sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko. And to realize that my existence depends on me, sa akin lamang, at hindi sa kung ano ang iisipin ng ibang tao. My family, friends, mentors, and my unwavering faith became my armor and beacons of hope for me to achieve greater heights. I regained my composure, my dignity, and mastered enough strength to continue on with my dreams. This is Daniela Alcantara Villar, your Miss Universe Philippines Cabanatuan.